Hello everyone, welcome to Brain Blitz Audios. Today we'll be doing the chapter How Much Can You Carry? And we'll be doing the exercise Heavier or Lighter. Let's begin then. So first, let's understand what is heavy. Now look at this seesaw. Which of these would you think is heavy? A or B? The correct answer is A, because if an object is heavy, it will be on the lower part of the seesaw. So that means that in any seesaw, means for example in this one, this will be heavy. Now let's understand what is light. Now we take another seesaw and let's mark them as A and B. Now which do you think is light? Now we know that light is the opposite of heavy. And since heavy is in the lower part of the seesaw, that means that light would be in the higher part of the seesaw. So that means that A is light in the seesaw. If an object is light, it will be on the higher part of the seesaw. Now, let's look at an example. Now, if you look into the seesaw, first we will see which is heavy and which is light. Now, heavy, if an object is heavy, it means that it will be in the lower part of the seesaw. So this means that this is heavy. And if an object is light, it will be in the higher part of the seesaw. So this means this is light. Now let's look at the two things. First one is a watermelon and the second one is a pumpkin. Now you have to remember that sometimes big things are heavy and small things are light. Now we can see that the watermelon is big and the pumpkin is small. So that means that the watermelon is heavy and the pumpkin is light. If something is big, it means it's heavy, and if something is light, it means it's small. Now let's look at an exercise. Draw a line to match the heavier one. First, let's look at the seesaw. Which is the heavier part? This is because if an object is heavy, it would be on the lower side of the seesaw. And which is the lighter part? This is because a light object is always on the higher part of a seesaw. Now let's look at the objects. This is a bucket and this is a cup. Now, as you can see, the bucket is big and the cup is small. So that means that the bucket will be heavy and the cup will be light. So we can draw a line from bucket to heavy and small to light. So this means that the cup is light and the bucket is heavy. Now, next question. First, let's look at the seesaw. Which is the heavier part? This is because in a seesaw, if an object is heavy, it will be on the lower side of the seesaw. So that means that the above part is light, because if an object is light, it will be on the higher part of the seesaw. Now, let's look at the objects. We have a pot and a bottle. Now, you can see that the pot is very hard and the bottle is very soft. So this means that the pot is heavy and the bottle is light. So if an object is hard, it is heavy, and if it is soft, it is light. So this means that a pot is heavy and a bottle is light. Next, we have, now let's look at the seesaw. In the seesaw, this will be the heavy part, because if an object is heavy, it will be on the lower part of the seesaw. So which will be the lighter part? This one, because if an object is light, it will be on the higher part of the seesaw. Now let's look at the objects. Now we have glasses and a jug. Now the jug is made of a hard material and glasses are made with a softer material than jug. So this means that the glasses are light and the jug is heavy. So the jug will be over here and the glasses will be over here, and the jug is the heavier one. That's all, folks. We hope you found it interesting. For more useful videos, please subscribe to our channel Brain Blitz Audios. Until the next video, take care, stay safe, bye bye for now.